मुझे रोज हिचकी आती है। इसे इंग्लिश में कहेंगे I hiccup every day. I hiccup every day. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, मुझे इस मामले में शामिल ना करें। Don't involve me in this matter. Don't involve me in this matter. कृपया मुझे अखबार दे दो। Please give me the newspaper. Please give me the newspaper. क्या आपको अपना वादा याद है? Do you remember your promise? Do you remember your promise? उतना मेरे लिए काफी है। That's enough for me. That's enough for me. एक योजना बनाओ। Make a plan. Make a plan. लोग देख रहे हैं। People are watching. People are watching. मैं उसके जैसा नहीं हूं। I am not like that. I am not like that. तुम शायद सही हो। You may be right. You may be right. संयोग हर समय होते हैं। Coincidences happen all the time. Coincidences happen all the time. आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? आपने इसे कहां से लिया? Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? ये रहा आपका बैग। Here is your bag. Here is your bag. वह आने वाला है। He is about to come. He is about to come. बिना देर किए। Without delay. Without delay. मैं अपनी गलती मानता हूं। I admit my mistake. I admit my mistake. इस तरफ आइए। Come this way. Come this way. कृपया यहां आएं। Please come here. Please come here. मैंने तुम्हें बताया था। I told you. I told you. तुम थके हुए लग रहे हो। You look tired. You look tired. मैं दिन भर घर पर रहूंगा। I will stay at home all day long. I will stay at home all day long. यह मेरा अंतिम निर्णय है। It's my final decision. It's my final decision. वह अब नहीं रहा। He is no more. He is no more. ओह सच में, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ओह रियली, थैंक यू सो मच। मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं इसका सामना कैसे करूंगा। I don't know how I am going to face it. I don't know how I am going to face it. कुछ होने वाला है। Something is about to happen. Something is about to happen. मुझे कहीं जाना है। I have to go somewhere. I have to go somewhere. तुम क्या खेल रहे हो? What are you playing? What are you playing? जोर से मत बोलो। Don't speak loudly. Don't speak loudly. वहां तुरंत जाओ। Go there at once. Go there at once. समय पर आना। Come on time. Come on time. गुस्सा मत करो। Don't be angry. Don't be angry. इसमें समय लगेगा। It will take time. It will take time. कुछ भी नहीं. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. तुम अपने आप को क्या समझते हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? यह मेरा बैग है. It's my bag. It's my bag. अभी फोन रखो. Just hang up the phone. या हम बोल सकते हैं hang up now. Just hang up the phone या hang up now. तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो. You are lying. You are lying. वह एक धोखेबाज है. He is a cheater. He is a cheater. यहां आकर बैठो. Come and sit here. Come and sit here. आपने कुछ कहा. Did you say something? Did you say something? नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है पूरी दुनिया उसे जानती है. The whole world knows him. The whole world knows him. मैं उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता. I don't know anything about him. I don't know anything about him. कितने अफसोस की बात है. How sad. How sad. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस ये बहुत महंगा है. It's very costly. It's very costly. वह एक अच्छा आदमी है. He is a nice person. He is a nice person. लालची मत बनो. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. मैं तुम्हें लेने आ रहा हूं. I am coming to pick you up. I am coming to pick you up. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? क्या तुम्हें याद है? Do you remember? Do you remember? सब खत्म हो गया. All is over. All is over. मैं निकलने ही वाला हूं. I am about to leave. I am about to leave. यह बिल्कुल गलत है. It's absolutely wrong. It's absolutely wrong. कुछ नहीं होगा. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. वह आपको बुला रहा है. He is calling you. He is calling you. बात साफ है. The matter is clear. The matter is clear. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं. I am feeling dizzy. I am feeling dizzy. वह चीजों को बड़े चाव से करती है. She does things with great passion. She does things with great passion. जैसा तुम मेरे बारे में सोचते हो. As you think of me. As you think of me. इसके लिए जगह बनाएं. Make room for it. Make room for it. तमाशा मत करो. Don't create a scene. Don't create a scene. उसने वास्तव में क्या कहा? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? वह अभी भी गुस्से में है. He is still angry. He is still angry. आज छुट्टी का दिन है. Today is a holiday. Today is a holiday. मुझे एक दिन का समय दो. Give me a day's time. Give me a day's time. मुझे बहुत छींक आ रही हैं. I am sneezing a lot. I am sneezing a lot. मैं यहाँ आपसे खासकर से मिलने आया हूँ. I came here specially to meet you. I came here specially to meet you. तो दोस्तों, मुझे उम्मीद है आपने ये सारे सेंटेंसेस मेरे साथ अच्छे से सीख लिए हैं। ऐसी ही और इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए मेरे चैनल इंग्लिश दीदी को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। बाय बाय।